Hey folks, I'm inside my Pacific Seacraft Orion. It's a rainy day outside, so time to do indoor projects. Got still a few things going on here. One of which is over here in the head. I'm going to install this Dometic toilet paper holder next to the head, near where that, well, I just marked off with the template. I've taped on a template. Now I need to mark off my hole that I'm going to cut, and about half of that roll will be protruding once I get done with this project. So I'm going to mark off the hole I need to cut, and I did consider putting it up here about this location where it's sitting there, but I don't have enough clearance inside. You can't quite see, there's not enough light, but a sink bowl is in the way basically, so I have to go down here. Alright, so using the oscillating tool I was able to cut out the hole, and I had already used the template that came with Dometic, so that's a great fit. I have room back here for a toilet paper roll, and now I'm just going to do a little bit of cleanup down here. And before I remove the template, I put in my pilot holes here that were in the template. Looks like a perfect fit so far. Let's see how it goes. There's just a little bit of rough spots I'm going to take care of with this 150 sandpaper. This is all fiberglass, so there's no reason to coat anything like plywood with in a wet area with epoxy. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the rest of this once I get my sanding done. Alright, next thing I have to do is caulk the back of this. Then it's time to put these screws that come with the kit. Hold the roll in place. And after cleanup, it's time to put these little tabs in here. So that's about a wrap for this installation of a Dometic drywall toilet paper dispenser. About half of the roll is behind the bulkhead. That's 3 inches saved basically, and that's it's a good bit of space for a small boat. Anyway, the door opens down here, and at the same time what it does is it rolls out paper. So be cognizant of that. In a wet space, you want to catch that before it hits the floor or whatever. There's a little gear mechanism you might notice right here that rotates when this door rotates. I'm not really a big fan of that right now, but we'll see how it goes. I might just find a way of disarming that as a modification, but we'll see how it goes. So that completes my installation of the Dometic dry roll dispenser for toilet paper. I hope this is of use to you folks out there planning to install something like this. In my case, there's a shower seat. Once I finish the woodwork I'm working on now, that'll go over the toilet and toilet paper roll. So during the wettest times, that roll will even be better protected. But anyway, this is supposed to be a dry roll installation, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.